Bald eagle. The bald eagle has white feathers on its head and tail. It's a powerful bird that soars high over rivers and lakes. It loves to catch fish with its sharp claws. Penguins wear black and white like little suits. They can't fly but swim very fast in icy waters. They live mostly in cold places like Antarctica. Peacock. The peacock spreads its colorful tail like a fan. Its feathers shine blue and green in the sunlight. It loves to dance to impress other peacocks. Parrots are bright and chatty birds. They can copy human voices and love to eat fruits. Many live in warm rainforests. Sparrows are tiny brown birds that chirp happily. They build nests near houses and parks. They eat seeds and tiny insects. Ostrich. The ostrich is the largest bird in the world. It can't fly but runs very fast. It lives in open grasslands in Africa. Hummingbird. Hummingbirds are small and shine like jewels. They flap their wings so fast they can hover in the air. They drink sweet nectar from flowers. Flamingos stand on one leg and are pink. Their color comes from the food they eat, tiny shrimp. They love shallow lakes and lagoons. Robins have red chests and sing sweet songs in the morning. They are one of the first birds to welcome spring. They like to eat worms. Blue jays are bright blue with white chests. They are loud and brave, often protecting their nests. They live in forests and gardens. Cardinals are bright red and easy to spot. The males sing lovely tunes to call their mates. They live in trees and shrubs. Woodpeckers peck trees to find bugs to eat. Their strong beaks make a tapping sound. They even make holes to build their homes. Toucans have big, colorful beaks. They eat fruits and live in tropical rainforests. Their bright feathers make them easy to see. Owls are night hunters with big, round eyes. They can turn their heads almost all the way around. They fly silently to catch mice. Pigeons are common in cities and parks. They can find their way home from far away. Long ago, people used them to carry messages. Crows are shiny black and very smart. They can use tools and even remember faces. They like to live close to people. Seagulls live near the ocean and love fish. They can glide smoothly over waves. They often call loudly when flying together. Canaries are small and yellow. They are famous for their cheerful songs. People keep them as pets for their lovely voices. Ducks love swimming and have webbed feet. They quack and dive for food in ponds. Their feathers keep them warm and dry. Goosegeese fly in a V shape across the sky. They honk loudly as they travel. They are loyal and protect their families.